Hello and welcome to BOZWANG. Today we are introducing the BZW-886CS computerized coaxial cable stripping machine, designed for multi-layer stripping of large diameter communication cables. The machine supports foot pedal activation for convenient hands-free operation. The touchscreen interface allows precise digital input of stripping depth, speed, distance, and rotation time. Here are live demonstrations with different cable diameters. It supports wire diameters from 4 to 13 mm and stripping lengths from 0.1 to 200 mm. Equipped with a specific axis positioning system and a rotary cutting tool, the BZW-886CS can strip up to 9 layers with consistent accuracy. Preset programs can be switched instantly to adapt to different processing requirements. It processes cables of varying sheet sizes without the need to change cutters. The wire clamping device automatically centers the cable with motor-driven operation and programmable clamping force for secure handling. The BZW-886CS delivers clean and accurate cuts with minimal cycle time, ensuring stable performance in continuous production. With its high precision, programmable control, and the capability to handle complex multi-layer structures, the BZW-886CS is a powerful and reliable solution for high-efficiency coaxial cable processing.